Hello guys, today we will learn about how to install Arduino IDE in our PC. For this, first you will open your browser and search for Arduino IDE. Here you can see the first website www.arduino.cc. This is the official website of Arduino. Go to this website. Here you can see multiple options: hardware, software, cloud, documentation, community, blog, about. We interested in software at that time, so we will go to the software. Here you can see the Arduino IDE latest version 2.0.0. If you will interested about learning the deep in Arduino IDE, then you refer Arduino IDE 2.0 documentation. If you are contribute in Arduino IDE, then you go to the source code on GitHub page. Here you can see the download option. It is available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. We download the 64-bit Win10 for Windows. I download did it, so we go to the download and you can see here I download the Arduino IDE 2.0.0 Windows 64-bit exe. Double click on it. It open a pop-up. Here you can see terms of service. Click on I agree. Click on next. You can install it on given location or you can browse it. Click on install. It takes few minutes for installation. Wait for installation. Now click on finish. Here you can see the Arduino IDE new version 2.0.0. Here you can see downloading the packages. It takes few minutes. We will give a brief intro about Arduino IDE. Here you can see the file. You can create a new file. You can open an existing file. You can open the examples, basic, digital, analog, communication, control, sensor, display, string, USB, etc. On edit you can undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, select all, etc. On sketch it is the most important. Here you can see the option include library or manage library. When we will learn about ESP32, ESP32 CAM, the Arduino IDE will not work with this. If you not add a library of these modules like ESP32, ESP32 CAM. When we use Arduino IDE for ESP32, ESP32 CAM, we will include a library. Then we use this, or we add a lib zip file also. You can see the tools. Here you can see the option of board. Here you can see the board manager or available boards like Arduino Mega 2560, Arduino Mini, Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno Mini, Arduino Uno Wi-Fi, etc. If you want to add the another boards, you go to the board manager and search for this board. Help option. Here you can see the about Arduino IDE. You can see on tool, like we go to the tools and select for Arduino Uno. Go to the files, go to the example and go to the basic and link. Here a new window or pop-up will open. Here you can see the example of blink LED on Arduino Uno. After installing the Arduino IDE, we can see how to upload the code on Arduino board. Open Arduino IDE. Here you can see the tool. Go to the tools, go to the boards and select Arduino Uno. Then go to the files, go to the examples, go to the basics and go to the link. Here a new pop-up window will open. The close. Next, here you can see the piece of code of Blink program for Arduino. Then you connect your Arduino board to your PSB. Then go to the tools. Here you can see the option of port. This will show the port at which your Arduino Uno is connected. Select this port. Here you can see the button for verify. Click on this. Here the sketch which compiled. Here you can see the message of done compiling. Then click on the button uploading. Here you can see the on board LED on Arduino board on the 13 pin will be blinking here.